Hello people, welcome back to this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can remove an object from the video with the CapCut application. So here I already have the video, and I want to try to remove this moon from this video. So you just need to go tap into the clip, and you just need to find the duplicate tools here. Just go tap the duplicate and make the duplicate tools become an overlay. Now drag this overlay clip so that they will have the same duration with the primary video. Now just need to tap into the overlay clip again, and we need to find mask tool. Just slide the feature into the left side until you found mask here, and then just need to tap it. And right after that, you just need to go pick the circles, and you just need to adjust in the size as well as the place for this. Then drag it into the closest area with the object that you want to cover. Go click this checklist button, and then you just need to drag the screen into the object is perfectly covered. And now here is the result. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.